Hello, hope you are doing well. So in this video, I am gonna show you how you can create this kind of circle menu to your Shopify website, and this is fully customizable. Like you can change the collection title, you can change the title size, you can change the font size based on desktop and mobile. You can add the radius, you can add the shadow, even you can make it circle. Here you can see you can change the background, you can change the border as well. So let me show you how you can add this to your store, and this is fully mobile responsive. Like you can see it's scrollable on mobile. You can change the size based on desktop and mobile. This is, you can see this is small, but this is big, so you can handle everything. So how you can add this to your website? The first step is you have to go to your themes and then click here, three dot, and then edit code. Then you have to copy the code and paste it. So I will provide this code in the description. Copy full code and come here, sections, and add a new section, call it circle menu. Remove the existing code and then paste the code we have just copied from the file. Please check the description box. I will attach the code link and save it. Now if I go to customize theme, and from here if I search for circle menu, you can see the circle menu has been added, and from here you can add another circle. You can see it's increasing, and if you click on circle menu, you can see section max width, so you can set the max width. So I am setting it, and you can change the background if you want. So I am keeping it white for now, and this is the section background, a section divider. If you remove this, you can see the black bar has been removed, and if you enable, you can see the divider added. So this is the heading, our trendy collections. So you can make it left or right or center, and you can change the size. You can change the size for mobile as well. You can change the text color from here, and you can use custom font and choose it from here. Any font, any Shopify font will support. So like Anonymous Pro, this one. This is the subheading, these settings. So 18 pixel on mobile, 16 pixel. You can use custom font for these as well. Let's use this one, Americana, that you can see. And then the descriptions, you can keep the description or you just remove the description. And slider enable window size. So when you would like to enable the slider, like if I go to mobile, it's enable the slider. Here you can see. So you can set it from here, like when the window or display size is less than 1300 pixel, the slider will be enabled. This is like when you will have more circle or blocks. Then circle desktop width, so the size and the width on mobile. So you can make it even bigger, you can see, or you can make it small. So yeah, and the gap between this thing, circle, you can set it here. You can change the circle box style like square or rounded, you can see. And then the border style like solid, dotted, double, and dashed. So I'm making it solid. And you can also outside border thickness, so you can increase this, you can see it has been increased. And inside border, you can see it has also the space inside, you can see it's increasing. The opacity, so this is the shadow opacity, so make to make it 10 pixel. You can see the shadow has been added. If I make it 100%, you can see. So keep doing this. Yeah, that's good. And I can even change the color, shadow color. You can see it's something yellow. And the desktop both side padding, so on desktop this both side padding, both side mobile padding, top padding, this top, you can add the padding at the top or bottom. And this is the margin, you can put margin at the top, you can see. So if I show you the mobile version, you can see it's fully responsive, it's fully responsive. And save it. After editing everything, save it. And you can change the uh, photo, this photo and text from here. Just click on each circle, you can add photos, you can change the heading like this, and you can add links from here. So if I review, if I view this website now live, you can see it's showing. And if I go to a mobile device, you can see it's fully responsive, and it will show like this on the front end. And I have also this section, this comparison table, also this influencer table. Please check my code shop in the descriptions or in my link in bio of Shopify. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you. So my code shop is here, Shopify add-ons. It's devlux.com.